Meaning of drop-in.
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 Drop-in. The term drop-in is commonly used to describe something that is easily added to an existing system without significant modification or disruption. This could refer to a physical component, software module, or even a person who joins a group or organization seamlessly. In most cases, a drop-in solution is designed to require minimal time, effort, or expense to integrate into an existing system or structure, saving the user time and money. Overall, a drop-in solution should improve the efficiency or effectiveness of the system it is added to, without causing undue disruption or requiring extensive modifications.